Here's the app called Citrus AI One Tap Perfect Photo Enhancer and Restore Quality HD. Perfect photo in one tap. Just citrus it. 1 million of photos enhanced monthly. One drop through clarity enhance in batch. Upscale in one tap. Enhance details and blur any photos. Fix lighting instantly. Restore all photos. So here you just see it, and then let's just double click to install it. One tap perfect photo AI, make every photo clear, sharp, and HD in seconds, from quick snaps to photo dumps and full albums. Citrus enhances them all with one tap, and blur faces naturally, enhance quality in 2x resolution. Citrus brings clarity to every shot, dark, blurry, or low res. Just citrus it. Some mixed reviews, but it's getting into the charts. So here you can see 3-day free trials and $5 per week, $80 per year. Send feedback, then you can see favorites. So now, for example, you have photo which you can enhance, and I don't know what's the difference in here. So on the right you see the enhanced, but probably it just works better with selfies or so. Then you can just see it here, and then you can just try to download it in the top part, and then it's saved to a gallery. So that's the idea. But it didn't ask me to pay, so seems it's a kind of free tool, and also you can do in batch. That's the idea. But I think then if you want to have faster processing, then you just need to upgrade.